back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Gershion kit that I received on Amazon. I did purchase it myself, and I'll be using this red color. Everything that came in the kit really surprised me. It came with a primer, it came with the base coat, with the activator, with the top coat, and then also with a brush saver. So you get, for $15.99, you get 5 bottles, and then it comes with 4 1-ounce dip powders, as well as some nail forms and a little brush. I actually really like this brush, I've been using it, a file, and then also a cuticle oil, which is a really nice touch. A lot of kits don't really come with cuticle oil. So today I'm going to be using the red, and I'm going to be covering it with Revel Bubbly just to give it a little bit of sparkle, and then I'll be using my favorite clear, my Skyline Soapworks clear. So the colors, they were pretty. I really like the red the most, and they don't have names, they just have numbers and letters. So that's what this one is, and I'm going to be using the liquids for this mani. So I'm opening them up and noticing they don't have a stopper, which is fine. It just means you have to kind of control the amount of liquid that you put on the brush. On my nails right now, I do have some Vividip peel base on top of my builder gel, and I have a gel top coat on as well underneath the peel base. So I am applying the liquid, and it's really thin. So you see me kind of like flood the crap out of my cuticles for a few nails because it took me a while to get used to it. By the time I was done this hand and I was moved on to my right hand, I was actually a lot better at using these liquids. They have a really low odor. When I say that, I mean that I'm not sniffing the bottle because I do get dip flu, so I don't want to increase my chances by exposing myself to the fumes. So if I'm using the product and I can't smell it, to me it's got a low odor, which I do feel like with some of the thinner liquids, they have more of a lower odor anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my first 2 dips into this red, and then I actually end up doing 3 before I start the bubbly. And yeah, very thin, easy to flood your cuticles. I started to tilt my finger down a little bit to make it better for myself so I could get used to it. They definitely have a learning curve, but you know, I will give you my final thoughts on these liquids in a little bit. So I also have a wine to review today, and I will get into that later. I'll be back. nail magic through that second dip of red, and I actually went in and did a third dip of red, but I cut that out. And now I'm ready for my dip of Bubbly. You can see there, as I was trying to get the right feel for the liquids, I was kind of missing some spots because I wasn't putting enough liquid on the brush. So that's why I did a total of 3 coats. And now I'm just dipping into the Bubbly, and I love this color. I think that Bubbly is like a staple in any collection. And it's very similar to Cottontail, which is from Peppy. So I actually just showed the first dip of Cottontail on my thumb and my index finger, and then I did the same for the rest of my fingers, and now I'm capping in clear. Once I cap in clear, I will be ready for some activator, and then I will be back to review some wine. I just wanted to pop back in to say that I am capping my edge with the liquid, and then I am dipping it into the powder. So since I have peel base on, I'm trying to get a little bit of longevity out of this mani, and doing that, I feel like it helps when you cap your free edge with the dip powder. I also did that with the Bubbly layer. And really, I'm going to file it, so it's like as much as the powder that is left over after I file to hold the nail on is good. These nails ended up lasting, so I did this on a Tuesday. They lasted until Saturday. So that's really good for peel base for me. If my peel base lasts 4 days, I'm happy. So I'm trying to practice that capping in clear on the free edge as much as possible to get that longevity. So now I am doing the activator on each nail, and then I will file and buff off camera, and then I'll be back. I buffed, I did my other hand, so now I'm back and ready for some top coat. So I'm going to do the activator, wait 2 minutes, and then I'm going to be putting on the top coat. And while I do that, and while you watch, I will review a wine. Today I have a 2019 Cowtown Cabernet Sauvignon from Paso Robles, California. On the Winc.com website, it's described as a dry, medium-bodied wine with tasting notes of cranberry, eucalyptus, pomegranate, and strawberry. I definitely picked up on the berry notes the most. I love Cab from Paso Robles. I have gotten some of the best quality cabs at a lower cost from that region. And if you're not familiar with Paso Robles, it is located between Los Angeles and San Francisco. So I also got this wine from Winc Winery. So that's a winery subscription where you pick different wines and you get a monthly subscription or a bi-monthly subscription. I'll include my referral link and code in the description below. You'll get $22 off if you use it. And the cool thing about Winc is they will try to tailor your subscription to your flavor profile. So you tell them what you like and you rate the wines so they can get closer to what you like. And at this point, I've been a part of a Winc subscription for a while, like maybe a year or two. So every time I get one of the boxes, it's pretty much dead on to what I like. So that's kind of cool. I do recommend them. So now back to nails. I am finishing up my top coat and letting that dry, and then I'm going to come back for some Poolside Ice, my favorite CandiSkinCare cuticle scent, and I hope that you like this mani. I love these liquids. I've been using them nonstop, by the way, so I highly recommend it. $15.99. Can't beat it. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.